Take a breath, hold it in, start a fight. You won't win, had enough, let's begin, never mind.
Okay, let's see if this works. Hopefully it's recording correctly. Right, Cashew?
Alright, where are you, man? Oh, here, oh, dude, here's a sword. I am so freaking out right now.
Okay, where are you? Where's the sword?
Right there at the bottom, right next to the iron.
Okay, I got it. Get ready for war, man.
Bring it on, spiders!
See, this is what happens when we wait to figure out how things work.
Oh my god. Well, at least you spawned over here. I spawned, like, out of nowhere.
Thousands of miles away. That's a Yu-Gi-Oh! Abridged
Oh my god.
joke.
Where's the spider? I hear him.
And it's right underground somewhere.
I ain't going underground.
Yeah, F that, man. I was gonna say... oh, where is it? Oh, that's you.
Okay, I made a pickaxe.
Oh my god, creeper. Hide.
Oh my god, where?
Hide. He's like over there by the water. I lost him.
Oh crap, I saw, oh crap. Zombies. Oh my god, we're gonna die.
God damn it, we're going down the first nights. Damn it, Jim, I'm not a doctor. Oh wait, it's supposed to be the other way around. You're supposed to be saying something like...
Damn it, Tim, I'm a doctor, not a fighter. Like, you did it the opposite way.
I know.
I still got it.
Completely screwed it up. Oh well.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Making a stupid furnace.
Ah! Oh no. Oh, I see zombie on that side. Is that pig? Probably.
Damn, I need to make a rock pickaxe first so I can dig out the iron.
I'll get some food.
I got plenty of food before I got teleported.
Nothing.
Oh my god!
What? Oh my god.
Zombie after you.
I can't see him.
I can see him. Bring it!
Where is he?
Move it, cow! You're getting my way. Bring it! Move it. Oh, I got a freaking achievement.
What? What'd you
This
get?
ain't Xbox.
What was the achievements?
I don't know. It was a bone. Monster something.
Whoa. Where'd that come from?
I see coal. Alright, back me up. Oh my god, there's a spider on the other side of the coal.
I can't see, man.
Don't worry, I can make some torches. Oh my god!
Get out of here. Ow.
Don't worry, I got some candles. Whatever.
Be like, Army of Death. Oh my god, lights! Lights! All I know is that I'm standing right here.
Put in as much sticks as light as I can. Who said survivalize it was gonna be easy?
Whoa! Where'd you come from, boy? Ah! Run away, man!
I ran out of sticks. And I ran out of coal.
Hey, look, an egg.
Oh, an egg. Save it so we can make some cake. Oh yeah, that reminds me. Oh damn, I didn't grab any seedlings. Oh, we can make some bones. Collect some bones for the whatever you do. Oh, you move it, you stupid cow! That's what you get in my way. I got another achievement, cow trapper.
What?
What if I kill a chicken?
Alright, pig, you need to die.
I found clay. We can make a fireplace. Piggy! I might need some bacon. No bacon.
Okay, man, all we have to do is survive the night, and we're good.
Alright, 2 pieces of bacon! Another piggy.
Whoa!
What? Oh my god, a creeper! What the hell do you think you are? Huh? Oh shit! Better not explode.
Run away, dude.
For you? Oh shit! Sorry. When you make some beds, I need wool. Give me that wool. Sheep. Move, you stupid cow! Where's the sheep? Where's the sheep? Where's the sheep? There's so many chickens, now I have sheep. I wish we could make some chicken. If you kill a chicken with a sword, you can make some chicken. Or a drumstick or something.
Jesus. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Punch a sheep.
You bunch of sheep.
Wooden sticks don't last long. Alright, it's daylight. Woo, we can rest easy.
Dude, we've made it through one night. Almost dying.
This sucks. And I got teleported. You're all on your own.
I was like, what do I do? Cashew, where are you? Cashew, what do I do?
I got 6 pieces of wool. Oh crap. No. Alright,
Okay, I say we start, digging dirt out so we can, make that little pit area our house for now.
Alright. I got a bed. I got 2 beds ready. Put that here and that there. I'll take this corner. This corner, and you can have yours right next to this stove. So the creepers won't get you. Put a light right next to yours.